Welcome to the Memorizing Tarot Cards podcast, your 3-minute lessons on learning and memorizing each card using symbolism. I use the Rider Waite Tarot if you would like to view the card while you listen using your own tarot card deck or computer. Today, we're exploring the Page of Pentacles, focusing on reversals. First, let's start with the divine meaning of the card and then the meaning when reversed. The Page of Pentacles upright represents ambition, curiosity, and a desire to learn and grow. It means new opportunities, particularly in career, finances, or personal growth. The reversed Page of Pentacles suggests that this enthusiasm and potential are blocked. It can signal a lack of focus, procrastination, or a failure to follow through on plans. The reversed Page of Pentacles may highlight a period where you feel scattered, unsure of your direction, or struggling to turn your ideas into action. You may be excited about new possibilities, but need more discipline or practical steps to make them happen. Next, let's discuss ways to approach this card in a reading. When the Page of Pentacles reversed appears in a reading, it's a sign to evaluate your current approach to learning, growth, or career development. This card serves as a reminder that ambition alone is not enough. You need focus, desire, and discipline to succeed. It may also indicate you need to be more inspired or connected to your long-term goals. Perhaps you've started something but have lost interest or motivation. The reversed Page of Pentacles encourages you to reignite your passion and reconnect with your purpose, or to let go of pursuits that no longer resonate with you. Remembering tarot cards helps when I can relate one of my experiences to the card. For example, my reverse Page of Pentacles moment came to me during some small business startups. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. For example, I bought a gift basket business in 2015 called Beautygram. I was an enthusiastic customer for a few years before it went up for sale. I already had Carrie's closet, so I had a complete e-commerce setup, process, and warehouse space. The truth is that I preferred buying beautygrams over delivering them. I founded a high-pressure business because I was relying on couriers or mail services to ship the boxes across North America. But I had little control over the exact time that the package would be delivered. After about a year, I was in a reverse Page of Pentacles scenario. I decided to sell the business, and an amazing woman who worked with me in Carrie's Closet and Beautygram wanted to buy it. It was great learning, but I'm glad I sold the business and learned more about what I liked and didn't like with respect to work. Thank you for joining me in exploring the reversed Page of Pentacles. Of course, to memorize tarot, keep practicing tarot. As you listen to these 3-minute lessons, you will consistently remember the symbolism that applies across different cards in the deck. Thank you for listening. Join us for more 3-minute lessons to memorize more cards.